The Audiolab 6000A has been a consistent bestseller, lauded for its useful range of facilities and balanced sound. In 2023, the 6000A was joined by a new flagship integrated model, the 9000A, taking the 6000A's established blueprint and elevating it across every parameter to deliver the epitome of affordable high-end audio, with an uncompromising design, build and performance that rivals amplifiers costing twice its price tag. Take everything that makes the 6000A one of the most popular integrated amps of the last few years. Add a healthy dose of upgraded tech from the flagship 9000A. The result? The new 7000A. The 7000A sits between its two siblings in terms of both price and performance, whilst adding a few tricks of its own. It builds upon the same design fundamentals as the 6000A, recognizing that while an amplifier is still the beating heart of any high-performance audio system, just as it has been for decades, a truly versatile integrated amp now needs to cover many bases: digital and analog sources, wireless connectivity for portable devices, a phono stage for playing vinyl, and amplification for headphones as well as speakers. But while the ethos remains the same, every aspect of the 7000A circuitry, both digital and analog, has been enhanced to deliver updated facilities and upgraded performance. The 2.8-inch IPS LCD screen shows a variety of information in a way more visually appealing than other integrated amps: volume level, input selections, file format data and more. It gives access to the 7000A's impressive menu systems, which includes such options as digital filter selection, upsampling, input sensitivity adjustment, balance control, automatic standby switching, and volume curtailment when the amp is powered up. It can even be set to display a VU meter in analog or digital form, showing real-time signal levels for the left and right channels. The 7000A incorporates state-of-the-art digital to analog signal conversion, enabling digital sources to connect directly, without an external DAC. There are 4 SP-DIF inputs, 2 coaxial and 2 optical, but the 7000A adds a USB Type-B input for PC and Mac. It also includes a HDMI ARC input for convenient AV system integration. The 7000A is the first Audiolab amplifier to include this facility. Bluetooth reception is included too, with support for multiple codecs including aptX HD, and Bluetooth 5 compliance for optimum range and speed. For analog sources there are 3 line-level RCA inputs, plus 1 for a turntable. Audiolab have tweaked the 7000A's phono stage to improve performance in comparison to the 6000A, with precise RIAA equalization and input filtering to ensure vinyl is treated with as much care as digital sources. Audiolab have been famed for the performance of its DAC circuitry since the now classic MDAC. ESS Technology's groundbreaking new generation 32-bit Sabre chip, the ES9038Q2M, is accompanied by proprietary circuitry to make the most of ESS Technology's Hyperstream 2 architecture and time domain jitter eliminator for ultra-low noise and high dynamic range. No company knows more about making the most of Sabre DAC technology than Audiolab, having worked on it for years, through several product generations. The post-DAC active filter is a critical element. Audiolab developed a new Class A circuit for its flagship 9000A integrated amp that's perfectly tailored to make the most of the ES9038 chip family, and this same circuit is used in the 7000A. The 7000A's high-res audio support is state-of-the-art, handling PCM up to 32-bit 768 kHz and DSD up to 22.5 MHz, via USB. The 6000A, in comparison, is limited to 24-bit 192 kHz PCM over SP-DIF. The 7000A also delivers full decoding of MQA, the high-res streaming technology. This means that the complete 3-unfold decoding process is performed internally, as opposed to just the final unfold in the manner of an MQA renderer, making the 7000A an excellent amplifier for subscribers to Tidal's Hi-Fi Plus tier, where Tidal Masters MQA content can be found. The 7000A is officially Roon-tested too, ensuring it works seamlessly in a Roon audio environment. Users can opt to upsample digital audio signals to 352.8 kHz or 383 kHz. And 5 DAC reconstruction filter settings allow the listener to adjust the sound to suit the source material, no matter how it's connected. Via USB, SPDIF or Bluetooth, every digital source benefits from the exceptional quality of this DAC. You will not find a finer DAC stage in any integrated amplifier anywhere close to the 7000A's retail price. The 7000A offers up to 70 watts per channel, with a maximum current delivery of 9 amps into difficult loads. The output stage of the discrete power amp circuits uses a CFB, complementary feedback topology, ensuring superior linearity and excellent thermal stability, as the idle current is kept independent of the temperature of the output transistors. A 250 VA toroidal transformer combines with a 60,000 microfarad reservoir capacitance to maintain firm control of the music, whilst enabling excellent dynamic range. The headphone output stage employs the same current feedback circuitry, with wide bandwidth and high slew rate, ensuring a dynamic, detailed and engaging performance, with all manner of headphone types. As with all Audiolab integrated amplifiers since the 8000A, the Audiolab 7000A continues the theme of flexibility with 3 variations of operating modes, making it a versatile and essential component in any system. Integrated mode allows the 7000A to perform as the class-leading integrated amplifier it is designed to be. Pre-power mode disconnects the pre- and power amp stages, so the 7000A can be used solely as a power amp. It also enables additional signal processing to be added by connecting the 7000A's preamp out socket to an external processor, then returning the processor's output to the amp's power amp in socket. And pre-mode disables the power amp stage, turning the 7000A into a still glorious standalone preamp. This enables external power amplification to be added, thus providing a possible upgrade path. The 7000A sits at the heart of the range and delivers a killer combination of class-leading facilities and, crucially, sonic performance.